Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cook mint jelly in Genshin Impact. To do so, you first need to open your Genshin Impact via the Epic Games Launcher, and once you're in game, search for a place with fire and a stove, like this one right here. So to interact with it, go near it and then press F. So here are all the items you can cook from this fire, and here search for mint jelly, which is right over here. Click on it. So the ingredients you need are 1 mint and 1 sugar. So if you have these ingredients, click on the cook button, which is on the bottom right side of your screen. Here you can see there are two options. You can choose to auto cook it, or you can choose to cook it manually. For this option, I'm going to choose to auto cook it by clicking here, and here choose the amount of the dish you want to cook. I'm going to press 1 and then press confirm. As you can see, this item has been added to my inventory now. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!